In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when you're getting the missing executable file error here on Steam. Basically, this means that your game can't find the right piece to perform, but don't worry, we're going to get it back up and running. Before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, go ahead and go into your Steam library up in the top left corner and highlight whatever game's giving you trouble. In this case, we're going to pretend it's Black Ops 3. Right click it and select Properties. It's going to open up a page that looks something like this. Find the installed file section and hit verify integrity of the game. Think of this like checking if all the parts are in place, no broken pieces, no missing parts. Once that does finish though, go ahead and close Steam out completely and then relaunch it just like so. And try opening your game again. If it still refuses to get going, we'll go a little deeper. First things first, open up File Explorer and then go to this PC down at the very bottom and select on that C drive. From here, go into Program Files, x86, scroll all the way down until you see the Steam folder and open it up and go into App Cache just like so. Highlight everything and delete it. Don't worry, it's safe. It's just leftover junk clogging things up. Essentially, delete that, close out of File Explorer and then reopen up Steam again. And then once again, try opening up that game. Sometimes though, you just do need a clean restart if that's still not working. Essentially, just go to that Steam library, right click, hit manage and uninstall, and then just reinstall that game. A little reset usually does do the trick. But that's it, your game should now be ready to perform without having any issues. If this did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.